Well, hide and seek will never be the same again.
Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a full review of this Teslong imaging camera, and you're going to want to watch this video before you buy it. Let's jump right in. Right out of the box, it comes right in this good, solid. I really like the solid construction of this holder, and I like the fact that it also has this carabiner hook, so you could hook it to a backpack or anything, and a nice solid zipper here as well. And then when you open this up here, you're going to have your charging cord, and right here, as you can see, this is a USB cord and plugs right into the camera with this end here. And then you have another adjustment here, and then of course your camera. So let's jump into the camera itself. First off, it's solid, good quality. I'm going to move this out of the way. And a couple things that I really like about this camera. One is the fact that I could just use the viewfinder here. So if I open this up, I have a cover to protect the lens, and I can just look through here, and it's good, solid padding, but still soft enough. And I'm going to power it on right here. And what you can do is you can either look through the viewfinder, or I really like the fact that it has this screen here as well to go ahead and watch whatever you want to look at. And as you can see right here on the screen, there's a few different modes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it here, and I'm going to show you right here. Let me see, there we go, right there, make sure you can see it. And I can zoom in up to 4x. There's 1x, 2, 3, and 4. And then from here, I also have quite a few different settings that I can look at depending what I'm trying to see. And I really like the fact that right there in the middle, if you can see, it is the current temperature. And I'll show you a few uses in a minute that I really have kind of had fun and really learned a few things that have been great with this camera. But another thing that's nice is if I tap this power button here, as you can see, it has this green laser here. So I know exactly what point I am pointing at. So if I'm reading a temperature, I know it's there, not up over here. So that is really handy. And then to shut it off, you just tap that power button again. And then you have an adjustment here and back here as well. And then I also like the fact that you can either take pictures here or even video record. And I'll show you what those look like here. But overall, I'm really happy with the solid construction of this. I like the fact that I have a handle here so that it's really easy to move around and to carry. And let's see it in action. As you saw from before, this definitely gives you an unfair advantage when it comes to the game of hide and seek, but it's definitely a lot of fun. I used it here on my heat registers. I wanted to see how warm the air is that is coming out of the vent with the furnace on, and then check different places in the house and see where the warm and cold spots are. Overall, I'm really happy with this camera, and there's so many uses that I didn't get into that you can use this camera for. And one other thing that I want to show you is right here, if you peel this back right there and plug this in and then plug the USB right into your computer, you can download all of the videos or pictures that you've taken right onto your computer and then edit them or do whatever you want to from there. So this is definitely a camera that I recommend.